Did you know that a single tool revolutionized woodworking and construction, yet its origins are shrouded in mystery? The circular saw, a staple in every workshop, hides secrets that will change how you see this everyday powerhouse. Stick around to uncover the untold story behind this game-changing invention. Welcome to Objectified, where we dive deep into the stories behind the tools and objects that shape our world. Today, we are exploring the circular saw, a tool that has been cutting through wood, metal, and history for centuries. From its surprising origins to its modern-day innovations, we will reveal 5 hidden secrets that make this tool a true icon. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, a professional carpenter, or just curious about the objects around you, this video will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the circular saw. Let's get started. The circular saw story begins in the late 18th century, long before power tools dominated workshops. Many attribute its invention to a shaker woman named Tabitha Babbitt in 1813, living in a Massachusetts shaker community. Babbitt observed men struggling with two-handled pit saws, which were slow and labor-intensive. She had an idea: attach a circular blade to a spinning wheel to make cutting faster and easier. Her invention, a hand-powered circular saw, was born. However, because shakers valued communal work over personal recognition, Babbitt never patented her idea. Some historians argue that earlier versions existed in Europe, like Samuel Miller's 1777 patent for a windmill-driven circular blade in England. Regardless of who came first, the circular saw's early days were about ingenuity and solving real-world problems. It was not just a tool, it was a revolution in efficiency. This humble beginning set the stage for a tool that would transform industries. By the 19th century, circular saws were being used in sawmills, drastically reducing the time it took to process lumber. The idea of a spinning blade was so effective that it became the blueprint for modern saws. Yet, the lack of a clear inventor highlights a key secret. The circular saw is a product of collective innovation, not a single genius. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the circular saw underwent a massive transformation. The introduction of electricity was a game-changer. In 1924, Skilsaw, a brand still iconic today, released the first portable electric circular saw, the Model E. Weighing a hefty 16 pounds, it was not exactly lightweight, but it gave workers unprecedented mobility. No longer tethered to massive, stationary saws, carpenters could bring the tool to the job site. This portability reshaped construction, making it faster and more accessible. Innovations did not stop there. Over the decades, circular saws became lighter, more powerful, and packed with features. Modern saws include laser guides for precision, dust collection systems for cleaner workspaces, and even cordless models powered by lithium-ion batteries. One standout innovation is the worm drive saw, known for its high torque and durability, favored by professionals for heavy-duty tasks. Another secret lies in the blades themselves. Today's blades are engineered with carbide tips, allowing them to cut through nails and screws without dulling, a feature that would have amazed early users. The Evolution Rage circular saw, for example, can slice through metal and stone, showcasing how far the tool has come. The circular saw is more than a tool. It is a cultural icon. In the United States, it became synonymous with the post-World War II housing boom. As suburbs sprang up, circular saws were the backbone of rapid construction, helping build the American dream one house at a time. Its distinctive whine is a sound that echoes through construction sites, workshops, and even Hollywood soundtracks, where it often signals danger or intensity in horror films. Globally, the circular saw has left its mark. In Japan, precision woodworking relies on specialized circular saws for intricate joinery. In developing nations, affordable models have empowered small-scale builders, making construction more accessible. The tool's versatility has made it a symbol of human ingenuity, adapting to diverse needs across cultures. Its presence in DIY culture, amplified by YouTube tutorials and maker communities, has further cemented its status. The circular saw is not just a tool. It is a bridge between tradition and modernity. Let's dive into some surprising facts about circular saws that you probably have not heard before. First, did you know that circular saws were once powered by water? In the 19th century, sawmills used water wheels to drive massive circular blades, cutting logs with incredible force. Second, the term skill saw is so iconic that many carpenters use it as a generic term for any circular saw, much like Kleenex for tissues. Third, circular saws have a dark side. They are one of the most accident-prone tools in woodworking, with thousands of injuries reported annually. This led to the development of safety features like blade guards and anti-kickback mechanisms. Fourth, the fastest circular saw in the world, used in speed cutting competitions, can slice through a 12-inch log in under 2 seconds. Finally, circular saws have even made it to space. NASA has used specialized versions for construction tasks on the International Space Station. These facts reveal the circular saw's hidden depth. It is not just a tool for cutting wood. It is a marvel of engineering, a cultural touchstone, and even a record breaker. The circular saw is a testament to human creativity and resilience. From its mysterious origins in a Shaker community to its role in building modern cities, this tool has shaped the way we work and live. Its evolution from hand-powered blades to high-tech, battery-operated marvels shows how innovation builds on tradition. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a weekend warrior, the circular saw is a reminder that even the most ordinary objects have extraordinary stories. The next time you pick one up, think about the centuries of ingenuity spinning in that blade. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of the circular saw, hit that like button and subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the objects that shape our world. Check out our video on the hidden history of the hammer. Next, it's full of surprises. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of circular saws. Here at Objectified, we love exploring the stories behind the things we use every day. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite circular saw tip or story. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and stay curious.